Hi and welcome to this Be a Pro video where I will show you how to fix your license. If your CRANEbee cannot be opened and displays one of the following messages, an unknown error has occurred. The license file XYZ could not be found or is not open, or other error messages, there is usually a problem with the local license file. If the error with the license file not found is displayed, please first make sure that you have access to the displayed file path. This error can be caused by a non-activated VPN or changed user permissions. In most cases, the license error can be easily rectified. First, click away the error. Then, in your File Explorer, go to This PC, C Drive, Program Files, CRANEmax, CRANEbee, beadmin, and start beefix.exe. Alternatively, you can run the beefix from your Start menu. After opening the program, the same error message is displayed, but that's okay. Click this away again, and beefix will only display a Fix License button. Proceed to click on this button. If for some reason the list loads normally and displays all your content, you can also click on Reset License to start the same process. After a few moments, a new window will appear asking you to activate again. Please proceed through the prompts using your serial number for CRANEbee. Click on through until it says, CRANEbee has been successfully activated. You can now close the beefix and start CRANEbee normally. If this didn't fix the issue or this issue is happening very often, please contact us. Thank you for watching. For more support, visit our website or send us a message on support@cranemax.com. Alternatively, you may watch some more of our Be a Pro videos.